So Beck and Matt are going with Pop, so he knows where to make the rows for the potatoes. One of them will meet us up here so we can pick up the plastic, and then one will stay behind so we can put more fertilizer in the planter for the potatoes and also help with the spacing of the rows. So the posts that you see all lined up over there, that's our tomato trellising, and we just put some posts in the ground and then we string wire along, and as the tomatoes grow we make sure that they grow within the wires so they will be held up. We're just about done here, picking up some old drip tape left out on the field. So now we're winding up the wire on the trellis, tomato trellis. We use this like pipe thing to make nice spools of wire. So something like that. So yeah, yesterday was Easter Sunday and it was absolutely gorgeous.
I'm gonna go up to the other end.
It was absolutely gorgeous. So basically everyone took a walk, you know, me and my sisters took a walk, and then later on I took a walk with my brother and my dad. It's out of focus again. We just undo the wire and then spool it up. There goes the customer. Some anthills can be so interesting. It goes all the way over here and continues on.
Well, anyway, it's going to be better. I mean, right now there's a 50-mile one on here or something like that. It would be double that, plus it'll be shorter.
Okay. I'm thinking of doing that.
And I'm also considering taking less. I mean, if you take that fence out, that's less wire.
I'm thinking of doing that, so. Well, I've already roasted potatoes.
So we're gonna plant some potatoes now. So
Potatoes.
Nice looking buckets.
we have beautiful looking buckets here. So
Potatoes from the brain.
Just get a bucket of taters.
I have a blue bucket. He has a icky white bucket. Oh, another icky white bucket.
I remember using these buckets all the time. 12 bean buckets. Those bean buckets.
Yeah.
We were so proud of ourselves.
Army at one time was trouble at one time.
Yeah.
But then,
We were so proud of
it
ourselves.
was a big deal when we
Look,
got
Daddy! And he didn't say anything. That was the loudest part. Oh.
Here,
Great. Got one. Satisfied. As you see, they are growing beautifully. I'll get this for you. Aren't they beautiful?
Oh, yeah.
Look about.
4 to 6 inches deep, and they have to be 9 to 10 inches apart. Yeah, something like that.
Let me see if I can focus on this.
Something like that.
Gotta become what of a focus.
That's as close as you get.
Should be from bigger ones.
So I have to measure with my foot.
10 inches.
It's basically heel to toe.
That's so funny.
And yours is just...
Isn't that right?
Yeah, it looks good to me. That looks like 10 though.
You said 9 to 10.
Yeah. So you're on the far end of the spectrum.
I am not throwing that again. It'll ruin my eye.
You get a nice blue bucket. Okay, I better get to work.
Okay, people, let's do this. Walk this out. Whoa. Maybe I should take.
Whoa! I have my phone in my hand. I can't.
Tractor, one bottom plow. Ditch. We are trying. As you see, you think it's pretty dang deep, but it really isn't. As you see, this is the ground level, and it comes to about here. So that is about
4 inches.
one hand,
6
which
inches.
is like, yeah, it's about 6 inches. Should be 4 to 6 inches for these Norlands. These are huge Norlands. Anyways, we are dropping them. Let's pretend these are holes, so we're gonna drop them. Little potato. So pretend like you dug a hole there, and you dug a hole there. Unless you just did like a trench over there. Our back blade. And I doubt you have one of those, so you just build them by hand.
Fried potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, and the list goes on.
Yeah.
I particularly like
Potato
oven roasted. I mean, a soup, I guess.
Yeah, we put potatoes in a bunch of different soupies.
In our vegetable soup, do we?
Yeah.
Okay. Our vegetable soup is like the best soup ever. Oh, mine does always go out of focus. There. Yeah, so the sun went away on us. It was sunny this morning, and then the clouds moved in, and
There's a cold front coming.
so me and my sissies are doing the last Norland potatoes because we ran out right now anyway. We ordered 7 more bags, but they're not here yet, and the boys are off to the stand to get some more Yukon Gold potatoes. So, just hanging out with my sissies. You're out of focus. So, what have we been watching, girls?
We have been watching The Amazing Race, Once Upon a Time.
Ugh. Grimm.
Well, we wish we were watching Grimm.
Masterpiece
Easter
Classic.
Mr. Stone watching MasterChef Junior.
I haven't.
You've been watching Say Yes to the Dress.
Yeah.
Finally.
Oh yeah, 19 Kids and Counting.
Oh,
or,
19 Kids and
I think that's on Tuesday though.
Okay, Tuesday. Elementary should be on what, Thursday?
We don't watch much. No. Head down to the other end.
This end? No. Which
Yeah,
end?
this end, because they're most likely come out on this end because that's how boys are.
Really? You think so?
Unless he comes down to this end with the tractor.
I say let's stay in the middle.
If we stay in the middle, we know exactly which way there would be
There's a bucket out there.
That looks like a old bucket that got crushed.
The one with the woodchuck hole.
Oh.
Gotta get that out.
Should we go on an adventure and go to the woodchuck hole and take out a bucket?
Rescue. If
Rescue
we're gonna do an adventure, let's call it a rescue.
the rescue
Bucket adventure.
bucket adventure. Okay. Hey, back! We're gonna go on an adventure. The rescue bucket adventure. Back. 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 Back.
And we have to do a sprint.
But this is gonna be so shaky then. Hold on 1 second, 1 second.
Wait, this is what you do. You have to hold it up to your face and you're going like
We're gonna
this.
sprint. We can just hold to the bucket. On your mark. Get set. Go! I have the camera!
Sorry about my boots.
Okay, let's have a race. Come on.
I'm carrying the bucket.
Back one carrying the bucket. Okay. Let's go. Where to?
I don't think we should. Fudge!
First stitch.
think so. You don't need any more? I better move the tractor out of the way though. So I'll move the tractor up there and then get the other one. Sure. Is the keys in bag spelled wet? All right, Catherine, did you leave the keys into the 431?
Yeah, pretty darn sure. So this is how we bury our potatoes. So we dig trenches, we put the potatoes in, and then we use, this is called the back blade, right? And we just drag the dirt right on top of them. So